Hi all, welcome. Today we'll introduce different types of kitchen. Firstly, we'll introduce the most premium kitchen, that is the lacquered glass finish. This one is a complete lacquered glass kitchen like island concept. This island is made of lacquered glass, whereas the wall unit, bottom unit and the dado also provided with lacquered glass. Usually people used to say that lacquered glass is not user friendly because it will break, but it's nothing like that. Even we can hold 5 kg weight in one shutter. I'll show you a sample of lacquered glass finish. This is a sample shutter. See, this aluminum frame will act as the protective layer for the glass in front. So this lacquered glass is surrounded by all the 4 sides profiles. These profiles will act as the protective layer. See, if we hit like this also, the glass will not break. Even the glass can withhold 5 kg weight as well. These lacquered glass shutters are from St. Gobain make. They provide wide variety of profiles. This one is aluminium silver profile, that is like silver finish. This is like grey matte and this one is rose gold. So we will get all these profile colors from St. Gobain brand. Here we provide wide ranges of color options for lacquered glasses. Come, let's see. These are the pastel shade options which is available. Here we have solid color options as well. So these much varieties of color options are available in lacquered glass. These are lacquered glass shutters with handle. Even we can provide without handle like this also. So this is like handle-less concept. So we can give either push buttons like this. We can give a push accessory and open the shutter, or we can give a projected handle where handle is not needed. This also handle-less concept. Here we have provided gola profile. These are golas which has to be inserted in the carcass, so we'll get automatically space here to hold the shutter and open. With lacquer material, we can give drawer concepts as well as shutter concepts also. One of the main advantage of lacquered glass kitchen is the most easiest method of cleaning. Okay, so usually in kitchen it will be dumped with grease, oil, water, steam and all. So whereas in laminate or acrylic finish, will not be able to use the chemical and clean the kitchen. But here no issues, no worries. You can just spray Colin and clean it, and after years also you will have that great new look as well.